Hello everyone, this is Prem Chand. In this video I'm going to explain how I am completed my Python project in Altair platform. First open any browsing site on your computer and on search bar search as Kaggle. Then you can see the Kaggle official site on top your home page. Kaggle is an online platform for data science and machine learning competitions, offering datasets and code collaborative projects. On left side you can see dataset option. You can click it for datasets. Here you can see various types of datasets. In this video I'm going to take dataset from name National Stock Exchange. National Stock Exchange is an Indian stock exchange located at Mumbai. It is India's largest exchange by turnover in 1994. In this data set you can find data, symbol of stack, series, previous close, previous open, high, low, deliverable and percentage of deliverable and so on, and their values. By scrolling down you can able to see views, downloads, according to month-wise, yearly and all-time. Now in here downloading the data set. Once you downloaded it you can see your data set via in Excel sheet. This data will provide the different. The analysis of data in an Excel sheet is useful because it helps in transforming raw data into meaningful insights. Here's why it's important: data organization, quick calculations, built-in functions and formulas, like sum, average, if, etc. Data visualization, charts and graphs, e.g., pie, bar, line, decision making, trend analysis. Pivot tables, error checking. Now close the sheet. Now we have to implement the download data sheet on the RAPIDMINER. RAPIDMINER is a powerful, open-source data science platform designed for building predictive models and performing data analysis. It provides a user-friendly visual interface, allowing users to design complex data workflows without the need for extensive coding. RAPIDMINER supports tasks like data preprocessing, machine learning, deep learning, text mining, and predictive analytics. You can see three options: blank process, turbo preparation, auto model. Start auto model. Choose your imported dataset from the list of available data. Go with my computer. Now I am importing the data set downloaded. This is the data set with no problems. Now you can click on local respiratory. Give any name to the file. Take me back. Further step is to click on Finish. Now the data set is ready for your required prediction model. You can see the option is Predict. Click it. In the stock market analysis we will predict when the market was closing. So I am clicking the close attributed column, which changes to orange after clicking. Now you can simply click on Next. Each row represents a feature, like Prev close, open, high, and low. On the left, we can select or deselect each feature using checkboxes. Now you can simply click on Next. The left panel categorizes different model types including generalized linear models, deep learning, decision trees, random forests, gradient boosted trees, and support vector machines. This setup is ideal for comparing model performance once results are generated. This updated view of Altair AI Studio shows the final step of the auto model workflow, where results from 8 different models have been generated and compared. On the graph to the left, we can see the relative error percentages, ranging from 1.7% for random forest to 8.3% for the generalized linear model. Now you can click on the export. The file will export it and select option Excel for wave of out predicted data. After exported given a file name as PREMP result.
Take me back to that time. One good friend was in my life. California seems so far away.
You can go to generalized linear models, generalized linear model, weights, generalized linear model simulator, generalized linear model performance.
Made my first album.
Generalized linear model predictions. Generalized linear model predictions chart. True values on x-axis and predictions in y-axis. Generalized linear model production model. In deep learning model, deep learning weights, deep learning simulator, deep learning performance, deep learning predictions chart, deep learning production model. You can see another models like decision tree, random forest, gradient boosted trees, support vector machine. In general, you can see data, statistics,
Came out the same day as Kanye's. I made my best single. Came out and felt so great.
weights by correlation and correlations between all the attributes used. Open the process. You can see here there are 6 types of models processing. Basic preprocessing, feature engineering and modeling, transform validation and scoring data, scoring validation explanations, weights and stimulator, production model, processing of results. You can click on the basic processing process. This slide represents the initial data processing workflow in Altair AI Studio. It starts with the retrieve data operator, which loads the dataset into the process. The next step, create single row, transforms the dataset into a format suitable for deployment, essentially converting it into a single row structure. Then, we have preprocessing, where all general cleaning and transformation tasks occur, such as handling missing values or normalizing data. Following that is filter examples, which separates labeled and unlabeled data, ensuring the model is trained on the labeled portion. Next, the Now for saving this file, go to right top corner file option. Click on Save Process As and give the name for the creation of RMP file. Click on Local Repository and give a name to store on your device. And click on OK. You can see your file in Recent Process option, and last step is to export our file to local disk by selecting Export Process. Name a new RPM file created. This is how I am completed my Python project on RAPIDMINER platform. First, RAPIDMINER made it easy to design my workflow visually. I could drag and drop operators for things like data cleaning, model training, and evaluation. That saved me a lot of time, especially in the early stages. But I didn't lose any flexibility, because whenever I needed more control, I could write custom Python code right inside RAPIDMINER. That way, I could still use powerful libraries like pandas and scikit-learn while keeping everything organized. Another big advantage was speed. I could test different algorithms and settings quickly, compare results, and make changes without rewriting a lot of code. And finally, using RAPIDMINER helped me communicate my work better. The visual workflows made it easy to explain my process and results to others, even if they weren't familiar with coding. So overall, combining Python and RAPIDMINER gave me the best of both worlds: speed, flexibility, and clarity.